How to use JewelsPrint. JewelsPrint is an AI-driven software for creating a 3D printed jewelry casting tree. It helps jewelry manufacturers build a castable 3D printed jewelry tree automatically, quickly, and accurately. Instead of making casting trees by hand, JewelsPrint uses the power of AI and smart algorithms to prepare a ready-to-print tree in just a few minutes. In this video, I will show you what JewelsPrint does, how the interface works, and how to generate and export a casting tree step by step. After installing JewelsPrint, open the software. You will first see the login page. Each machine has a unique device ID. To register, copy this device ID and send it, along with your email address, to your administrator. Once your device is registered, simply enter your email address and click Login. Please note that JewelsPrint requires an active internet connection to log in and work properly. After signing in, you will see the main workspace. At the center is the 3D viewport. This is where you view, move, and prepare your models. On the side, the settings panel lets you define 3D printing and casting parameters. At the top, the menu bar gives access to all tools and features. After generating a tree, the info bar shows material estimates such as metal and resin usage. You can undo or redo your actions using the undo and redo controls. There is also a user guide panel, which provides helpful instructions and can be opened or hidden at any time. To define your production parameters, open the Settings menu. In the 3D printing settings, you can set the minimum object gap. This defines the minimum distance between models during printing. A larger gap makes supports easier to remove, but the tree will be less compact. You can also set the tree segment gap percentage. This controls the tolerance between pins and holes of segmented tree parts, so that after printing, all segments fit together to form one tall casting tree. In the casting settings, you define parameters based on your casting flask, machine, and workflow. Each option is explained visually. In the interface settings, you can change measurement units, adjust scroll speed, and select the software language. Now, let's generate a casting tree. To start, open Import Models and select your STL jewelry files. You can import multiple different models at the same time. All imported models will appear in the model list. For each model, you can see a preview image, estimated metal weight, connection point status, and internal support status. From the model list, you can split multi-part models, hide other models to focus on one, delete models, set the number of copies, customize sprue diameter, and adjust the sprue rotation angle for each model. Connection points define where each model connects to the casting tree. Select a model, activate connection point mode, and click on the model where you want to connect it to the sprue. For best results, place the connection point along the vertical Z-axis. All models must have a connection point before generating the tree. Internal supports are optional, but they help prevent deformation during casting, especially for rings. Select a model, open the internal support tool, and click inside the model to place supports. When you are done, click Set Support to apply them. Before generating the tree, review the tree generation settings. The packing method defines how models are arranged on the tree. The sprue angle controls the angle of the branches. The max sprue diameter automatically calculates sprue thickness, and you can customize it per model from the model list if needed. The sprue length defines how long each sprue is. Tree segment height allows you to split the tree into smaller printable parts. This improves print speed and makes support removal easier. Default values are optimized and suitable for most users. After setting the parameters, click Generate Tree. JewelsPrint will create an optimized casting tree in less than 1 minute. After generating the tree, to ensure that its size fits your 3D printer and casting flask, left-click on the tree and select Ruler. You will then see the full dimensions of the tree. After generation, material usage appears in the info bar. A detailed tree report also appears at the top of the model list. Here you can see how many of each model are included, as well as the total number of models in the tree. If needed, you can reset the tree and adjust your settings. If you are printing with resin 3D printers, JewelsPrint includes smart supports designed specifically for tall jewelry casting trees. This step can be skipped if you use multijet printers or do not need supports. You can control the overhang angle, tip and base diameter, support density, and body-to-body supports for extra strength. Click Generate Support to apply them automatically. When everything is ready, open Export, choose a file name, and click Download. The file will be saved to your Downloads folder and is ready to be sent to your 3D printer. With JewelsPrint and the help of AI, creating a castable 3D printed jewelry tree is fast and simple. Import your models, set a few options, and generate a production-ready tree in less than 3 minutes. JewelsPrint saves time, reduces errors, and improves your jewelry casting workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy casting!